Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your own group on Facebook, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on groups at the top on the left side, and then click on this plus icon at the top of the screen and click on create a group. Tap on name your group and type in the name of your group. Select its privacy, either public or private. Tap on it and click on done. Scroll down and here you can hide the group or make it visible. Tap on create a group down below, thereby creating your group. As you can see, you have the chance to invite people. You can share it, invite via email by the help of these two icons. As you tap on share, you can send it in Messenger, share to a group, send in Twitter, copy the link, and tap on next. You can add the cover photo, add the description. Here you can choose from these goals and you can create your first post. Then tap on done and then finally you have created your group. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.